Hey, so on day 2 of our tour around California beaches, we're at Emmawood State Beach. It's down here and we're in slot number 52. Totally primitive campsite. No water, no electricity, no toilets. Lots to do here on the beach. Go jogging, we're gonna go for a swim, take a look at the birds. We got some dolphins out here, guy fishing, even surfing. So I'll show you around the campground and maybe a couple trees, bushes, and other good odds and ends we can find. Hope you can join me. So here we have Emmawood State Beach. It's kind of windy. This is a great place to stay. You just park your RV, your camper, right on the beach here on this road. You head down here to Ventura River. You see all sorts of cool stuff. Today we went for a walk. We got some dolphins, lobster, got some crabs, mollusks. We found a what's called a boot gum, or gum boot mollusk. It's this giant sea snail. Up here's Highway 101. Here are the railroad tracks, but you can't hear it because the waves are crashing so nicely on the shore. Wow. So there's 86 campsites. Costs 40 bucks a night, more or less. You park here in the dirt, but it's pretty good. Just back right in. This is totally dry, right? There's no water, electricity, there's no fire rings, no phones, no dump stations. There's good Wi-Fi though, you get that. But you make little fire rings with the rocks here, and you're good to go. No questions asked. Reservations are required from Labor Day up through, well, until Labor Day, May to Labor Day, of course. You can have dogs here, but keep them on a leash. And they open at 2 o'clock, and don't check in early. Otherwise, they won't let you in. So you can swim here, you go for a hike, you see some ruins, see the Channel Islands, and here's our little campsite here. We rented this little van. Seats 1. Now they do say no tents allowed, but I'm going to try to put my little out-sunny cot tent here. And here's our little fire ring here. There's Uncle Casey in his journal. Little fire pit. We're gonna have steaks tonight with some cream of corn. There's the ocean. This morning, this has gone up about 3, maybe 4 feet, because today we walked in the sand all the way out to the little wilderness estuary. It's about 3 miles down. We got some gulls here. And we also have a lot of brown pelicans. So this place, if you haven't tried it, I think this is really, really cool. All right, sorry it's kind of windy. Have a great day. Bye.